The galvanic corrosion chart and calculator determines corrosion risk when two different metals come into contact in an electrolyte. Since no calculator interface was detected on the page, I'll explain how these tools typically work. A galvanic corrosion calculator usually requires you to select two different metals from drop-down menus, the first being your base metal and the second being the contact metal. Common options include aluminum, stainless steel, copper, zinc, and carbon steel. You'd also need to specify the environment, such as seawater, freshwater, or atmospheric conditions. For a typical calculation, let's say you're evaluating aluminum in contact with stainless steel in a marine environment. The calculator would process these inputs and provide key outputs like the galvanic potential difference between the metals, the predicted corrosion rate, and a risk assessment rating. The results help engineers determine if protective measures like isolation gaskets or sacrificial anodes are necessary. Higher potential differences indicate greater corrosion risk for the more active metal. This tool is essential for preventing costly failures in multi-metal assemblies. Find the link in the description below.